dealing with physics.
Right, so it's just a spin on your general knowledge as Atelston.
Yeah, if I'm going to write, compose, and arrange music, I mean, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel. So being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So
phenomenon. I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these,